What if I told you that one of the most powerful objects in sports history can fit in the palm of your hands? Welcome to Factory Flow, where today we uncover the fascinating journey of the soccer ball. A small sphere that has carried passion, pride, and unforgettable memories across generations. Soccer, or at least an early version of it, is one of the world's oldest sports. As far back as 2500 BCE, people were already running across open fields, kicking a ball for fun and competition. Over centuries, the game evolved, and so did the single most important piece of equipment used to play it. At first glance, a soccer ball might seem simple and ordinary, but in reality, it delivers endless joy to millions around the globe. For many of you watching, kicking a ball with friends and family may be one of your happiest childhood memories. But have you ever stopped to think about how a soccer ball is actually made? How every measurement is calculated so perfectly to create such a balanced and reliable piece of equipment? Today, we're breaking it all down and exploring the complete step-by-step manufacturing process behind modern soccer balls. The earliest known soccer-style balls date back to 1697 BC during the rule of Emperor Hang Ti. These early versions were crafted from leather and tightly packed with animal hair, cork, or even pig bladders. They were used in a game called Suju, where two teams attempted to kick the ball through an elevated opening stretched between poles, without using their hands and without letting the ball touch the ground. Leather balls stuffed with natural materials remained common until the 1800s, when rubber began to replace traditional fillings. A major breakthrough arrived in 1836, when Charles Goodyear patented vulcanized rubber, introducing a revolutionary change to ball design. Vulcanization is a process that strengthens rubber, making it more elastic and resistant to wear and damage. This innovation meant soccer balls no longer relied on fragile animal bladders and instead became more durable, bouncy, and consistent. Although it took nearly 2 decades to refine the design, standardized rubber balls soon became the norm. By the 20th century, most soccer balls were made from rubber combined with leather, and today manufacturers continue to improve materials for better performance and durability. Modern soccer balls are typically constructed from synthetic leather stitched around an inflated rubber bladder. A small valve allows air to be pumped inside whenever pressure drops from repeated use. For professional matches, official size standards require the ball to measure between 27 and 28 inches in circumference. The outer layer usually consists of 32 carefully shaped panels, commonly stitched together by hand. Because this stitching process is slow and highly detailed, some manufacturers outsource panel assembly to specialized factories while producing other components separately. Overall, the manufacturing of a soccer ball can be divided into 5 essential stages: cutting the panels, stitching them together, inserting the bladder, applying graphics, and performing strict quality checks. The first stage, cutting the panels, demands extreme precision. Even the smallest measurement error can result in a ball that is uneven, oversized, or undersized. These panels are most often made from synthetic leather such as polyurethane or polyvinyl chloride, materials chosen for their durability, flexibility, and performance on the field. These advanced materials are both highly durable and water-resistant, ensuring the ball remains safe and reliable in all weather conditions. In the past, however, soccer balls were far more dangerous. The leather absorbed rainwater, becoming heavier during play. When players headed the ball, the added weight often caused serious neck and head injuries. Thankfully, modern engineering has solved that problem. Now, to increase the thickness and strength of synthetic leather, manufacturers reinforce it with extra fabric layers, usually made of polyester or a polycotton blend. The synthetic leather sheets move through a pressing machine that coats them with a latex adhesive, bonding the fabric firmly to the surface. Premium match balls typically receive 4 fabric layers for maximum durability, while more affordable versions are built with only 2. The number of layers directly affects how strong and long-lasting the final product will be. Once the adhesive has completely dried, the material is ready for shaping. Using a precision die-cutting machine, workers cut out the panels. A traditional soccer ball contains 32 panels, 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons, all measured with extreme accuracy to maintain a perfect spherical shape. After the panels are prepared, the next stage is stitching them together. Specialized sewing machines use strong double stitching to secure each panel firmly in place. This method creates tight, durable seams that allow the ball to withstand the intense impact and pressure of competitive matches. Workers carefully follow a set pattern during assembly to ensure no alignment mistakes occur. Precision at this stage is essential because even a slight error could distort the ball's shape. While the outer shell is being formed, the inner bladder is produced separately. The bladder, usually made from latex or butyl rubber, is the inflatable core that gives the ball its bounce. As it cools after molding, wrinkles naturally appear on its surface. To smooth it out, the bladder is partially inflated using an automated pump. It is then placed inside a heated steam chamber for several minutes, which strengthens and stabilizes the rubber, preparing it for installation. Next, the bladder is inserted through a small opening intentionally left in the stitched outer shell. This opening will later hold the air valve. Once the bladder is positioned correctly inside, the remaining seam is carefully closed by the stitching team. In some modern production lines, instead of traditional stitching, a technique known as thermobonding is used. This heat fusion process bonds the panels together without visible outer seams, creating a smoother and more water-resistant surface. Even though the ball now appears complete, the process is not finished. During stitching and handling, the bladder could have been accidentally punctured. To confirm everything is intact, each ball is fully inflated and checked for air retention before moving forward. Throughout every stage of production, careful inspections are carried out to identify any defects, ensuring only top-quality materials and craftsmanship are approved. With the structure complete and the bladder fitting securely inside, it's time to apply the graphics. Designs are typically added using a specialized screen printing process, though in rare cases they may be hand-painted using durable inks. These graphics can include the manufacturer's branding, team logos, tournament marks, or custom designs, giving each ball its unique appearance. The final and most critical stage is quality control. Because manufacturing defects can pose safety risks, strict testing standards are enforced. First, each ball is examined for proper weight, size, and shape. An official soccer ball must be perfectly spherical, measure between 27 and 28 inches in circumference, and weigh roughly 410 to 450 grams. After inspection, the ball undergoes an endurance test inside a machine that fires it repeatedly, at least 2,000 rapid impacts. Once testing is complete, inspectors check whether the seams remain secure, the bladder holds air, and the ball maintains its shape. Any ball that fails these evaluations is immediately rejected and replaced with a newly manufactured one. Did you know that more than 75% of the world's soccer balls are manufactured in Pakistan? Over the past century, soccer balls have transformed dramatically, and today there are specialized designs built for different purposes. The standard balls found in most sports stores are known as recreational or training balls. They are built to be tough, highly durable, and capable of lasting through countless practice sessions and rough play. At the professional level, match balls are officially approved by FIFA for use in elite international competitions. These balls are engineered with precise specifications to ensure perfect balance, accurate flight, controlled speed, strong air retention, and resistance to water absorption. Because of their advanced construction and strict standards, they are significantly more expensive. Promotional balls, on the other hand, are created mainly for branding purposes, showcasing team logos or supporting specific organizations and causes. There are also indoor soccer balls designed specifically for indoor courts, featuring reduced bounce and rebound so players can maintain better control in confined spaces. The evolution of soccer ball technology continues to move forward rapidly. Major global brands such as Umbro, Mitre, Adidas, Nike, Puma, and Select are constantly researching innovative materials aimed at improving flight stability and enhancing power transfer when the ball is struck. Manufacturers are even experimenting with advanced features like embedded microchips and internal cameras, pushing the boundaries of how technology can make professional football more competitive and engaging. Although soccer is widely considered one of the most thrilling sports in the world, the process of manufacturing a soccer ball is detailed, repetitive, and highly technical. Every stage demands precision and careful inspection to ensure the final product performs perfectly. From elite professional athletes to school students playing for fun, each player depends on the quality built into that small, powerful sphere. Do you enjoy playing soccer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory content.